Splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Dip, pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs. Slow down, please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says, what a splashy crash. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Bubbles fly up in the air. Kitty tries to catch them there. Pop, pop, they burst away. Bubble bath is fun today. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark slows it down. No more foam all around. Kitty clean from head to toe. Bath time fun is ready to go. Splash, splash, bubble pop. Kitty bath will never stop. Baby shark and Kitty play. Bath time fun every day. Happy birthday party time! The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Oh no, no, what a day! The place play chaos on the way. Kitty brings the birthday cake up past, but the table starts to shake. Happy birthday party time! The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Frosting flying through the sky. Kitty says, come back, please. Cake zooms past the party seats. Cake, 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 don't run away. Silly birthday cake today. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Everyone jumps with funny eyes. Monkey hides beneath the chair. Puppy runs around in scare. Pop, 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 balloons go boom. Crazy party in the room. Kitty opens giant gift. Suddenly the lid goes flip. Tall waving pony fills the air. Toys go bouncing everywhere. Funny dances on the floor. Dino crashes through the door. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Birthday madness every night. Kitty laughs, that's okay. Funny birthday save the day. Everyone dances side by side. Big smiles they cannot hide. Cake is fixed and candles glow. Best birthday ever, you know. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. People played us Kitty fine.
Kitty dances come along.
Keep let's stay fun everywhere. Oh no! Some numbers are hiding in Kittyland. Kitty can't find them. Can you help? Let's play peekaboo and find all the numbers. Mr. One, where are you?
Oh, no.
Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around. around so carefully, said Peekaboo, I found you number 1. Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see Peekaboo, I found you number 2. Mr. 3, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see Peekaboo, I found you number 3. Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see Peekaboo, I found you number 4. Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see Peekaboo, I found you number 5. Mr. 6, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see Peekaboo, I found you number 6. Wow! Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see Peekaboo, I found you number 7. Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see Peekaboo, I found you number 8. Mr. 9, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see Peekaboo, I found you number 9. Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see Peekaboo, I found you number 10. Yay, let's dance! Kitty found all numbers today. Peekaboo game, let's all play. Wow. From 1 to 10, we had fun way. Counting adventure is done. Everyone's here. Let's celebrate. Hey, let's dance. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Dust. Moo, 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 weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong. Oh no, no, no. Gasp. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah, cow goes slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea, no energy. Feeling sad. Wow. No jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay. Farmer shouts, help me please. Cow says, moo, I need ease. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, open wide. Cow goes, moo, I tried. Moo boy. She gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Trot, trot, trot. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at that. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. Three. Farmer laughs. Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty. Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy. Here we go. No damn dirt. No. All animals clap and cheer. Love a good. Dr. Kitty brings joy. He Tidy iron train. Wow. Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Kitty driving fast, you know. You know. 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, "No more dinos jumping on the train." Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. 4 little dinosaurs. Bingo! 4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, "Stop the dino shaking the train." Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, choo. Funny dino train. Quack, quack, quack. Hee-haw! 3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda, and the panda then said, "No more candy on the train." Riding on a train. Sticky, sticky train. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. 2 little dinosaurs. Hee-haw! 1 little dinosaurs riding on a train.
Oh, no.
One pulled lever once again. So Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train. Choo, choo, choo. Crazy, crazy train." One little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Dino train is working well." Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Happy dinos steal the show. Kitty walks to school at night. Moon is glowing soft and bright, but the gate goes creak open slow. Kitty whispers, "Is someone there?" Wind drip dressed when everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton popped. Bones go clack, that never starts. He sits down with a spooky grin. "Let's start, class. Let's begin." Kitty laughs, "Okay, this is new." Bones go dancing, clap, clap, too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, "Hey, slow down!" But zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, "That's kinda cool." Coach just laughs, "Welcome to school." Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. "Boo," he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, "I'm your friend." Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Cute! Witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, "What a school I've been!" Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters want to play. Oh no! Side of the Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but Spooky spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino. 4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring. 3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring. 2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark, stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Why do they fix the train? All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them all and says, let's ride the dino train today. Riding the train,